Updating your billing address on the Nintendo eShop is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Access the Nintendo eShop. Open the Nintendo eShop on your Nintendo Switch console. Make sure you are logged into the account for which you want to update the billing address. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use eShop to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account information section, look for the option labeled billing information. Click on it to view your current billing details. Step 4. Edit your address. Find the section for your billing address and select the option to edit. Enter your new billing address accurately, ensuring all details are correct. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, make sure to save the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your billing address has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing address up to date on the Nintendo eShop. Regularly checking your account information can help prevent any issues with purchases or subscriptions.